Good morning. Something a bit different today. We have come to the Cheshire Ice Cream Farm. Now I've wanted to come here for years because I love ice cream. Who doesn't? So we thought we'd come down and have a look. So we're going to have a bit wander around. There's a soft play, some water play, a park, mini golf, all that sort of stuff. So I'll give you a tour around as we go around and have a look. So first activity up is the Fun Factory, which is the soft play area. What they've done is they've created like a small sort of babies and children's, toddlers, sort of preschoolers, and then a big frame for the big guys, which I quite like. I quite like the way it's all laid out. There's plenty of seating all over the place. So yeah, it's really nice. And there's more seating down the side wall down there. So yeah. I'll see if I can locate Rebecca now because she's in here somewhere.
Hold on really tight. Ready?
You can walk on it, yeah, if you want to.
Yeah, I'm checked. Terrible. You can see it, look. Bon. Ooh. Yeah.
So we've just come out of the Fun Factory. That was really good actually. What I really liked about that was there was so much to do in the frame. There was never an empty section. It was quite small, it wasn't the biggest, but it is limited numbers because you have to book your slots online to guarantee you entry on the day. But yeah, I really thought that was really good, the Fun Factory. Really enjoyed that. Just come into the Honeycomb Canyon at the ice cream farm, and I have to say, it's rather impressive. It's all sand and water play, but it looks amazing. Even the patterns on the walls and the honeycomb. Stunning, absolutely stunning. I'm sure Rebecca's going to have a lovely hour. What are you doing? So I've just come out of Honeycomb Canyon, which is the sand and water play. That's really good. I mean, the toddlers in there are absolutely loving it. Yeah, definitely really good. We're outside now in the outdoor areas, all the playgrounds and things that they've got. There's some mini golf here-ish. There's diggers round the corner and some animals down the bottom end, and the ice cream pit in the middle. But yeah, this is really nice. It's a free attraction for anybody wondering. It's free to enter. And you just play for the activities that you use. It's $3.75 for over 3s for an hour's activity. But yeah, it's really, really nice, really well done. So we've come into the ice cream parlour, which is the reason why we came in the first place at the end of the day. And I've got banana and white chocolate ice cream. What flavours have you got, Rebecca?
Vanilla and chocolate.
Vanilla and chocolate. What did you have?
White chocolate.
White chocolate. What did you have?
Butterscotch and banoffee.
How much does that cost us?
11 and a bit.
So it's £11 for 3 ice creams, so it's not cheap. So £3.75 a scoop, I think it is, something like that. But I'll show you the boards before we go, because there's loads of flavours to choose from. I might go and have 2 more scoops on the way out. But we'll see how we go.
I don't know how well you can see all these flavours of ice cream. There's hundreds to choose from. There's some sorbets and all the different cones you can have. Very nice. There's hundreds.
Does it look like the waltzers?
Yeah.
But in a tub?
Yeah.
You're on spin drive. Having a game of mini golf, because the jumping pillows is £3.75, as is the mini golf, so we figured we'd do this. So it's Pauline versus David versus Rebecca, isn't it, Rebecca? Are you having fun? You're learning how to play mini golf, aren't you? Yeah. Number 9. It's really busy here now, as you might expect with the weather being so nice. But we're on hole 9 and there's 13 holes, I believe. Very pretty though with the waterfalls. Strawberry Falls.
One last pop at it. No other way she's ever going to get up that slope back here.
Very gently, ready? 1, 2, 3. We're back in the parlour, having our second portion of ice cream. I've had this time fudge and honeycomb. Rebecca's got
Bubblegum and banana.
Banana, and then Nanny's got banana and white chocolate.
Yes.
Pauline got just a white chocolate with some sprinkled cones, and then David's got a Ferrero Rocher. But if you really do like the flavours of ice cream here, you can pop in and you can buy them out of the freezers here. They're £4.90 for these tubs along the back here. They're big, giant, I think they're 4 litre ones. Yeah, and you can buy all the flavours they sell. You can buy them in tubs. So if you really want one, you can come and get them. And it's because it's free to get in. You can come and buy them anytime you like. So I've just said when we're coming down to visit, I'm going to send Pauline to buy some ice cream because I'm nice like that. So we've had a good couple of hours here at the ice cream farm. If you've got kids, it's definitely worth coming down. It's free entry. You just pay for the attractions as and when you use them. The park's all free. You can sit and eat ice cream to your heart's content, which isn't free. But yeah, it's really good. Well worth coming down. Had a good day, and we'll see you next time. TTFN.